Alright, so apparently if you guys haven't seen the, I believe it was Jackass, they did a scene where an old man was fishing out by the lake. And, well, I haven't seen it yet, but, a buddy of mine at work told me to check it out, so let's check it out, alright? Here we go. Whoa! Jesus! Ah! Ah! Woo! Shit! Oh, Lord! Lord! Ah. Oh, a little help! Oh! Oh, man! I got the 9-iron on this one. Oh! Oh, God! Oh, shit!
What is it? What is it?
Oh, it's a large-nosed carpet croaker.
The carpet croaker.
Okay.
What the fuck? Oh. I'll bet you, like, he's probably traumatized. Like, he's never, ever gonna... He's probably never gonna eat any fish sticks anymore, right? Oh, peace out, guys.